Hey guys, so I was looking for the solution how we can fix if you Legion Go, the keyboard is not working. This is the one thing that you can try. Maybe it's going to fix the issue. So this is something I found on Reddit. Did you try the left Legion button plus B? That is supposed to invoke the keyboard at any time. So try it out. Maybe it's going to help fix the issue. So try the left Legion button plus B, and maybe it's going to invoke the keyboard. And that's something you can do. After a few updates, it shows us every time. Now the second option is like suddenly it's a shortcut keyboard that was my default until the update completed. A Legion space update and then just like restart. So try to update it and try to do the left Legion button plus B. And it should like invoke the keyboard at any time and it should possibly fix the issue. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.